Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Shadow Man from Hello Neighbor. So here is my full pencil sketch, and then as usual, right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's very easy to draw and actually looks really cool. So here's my sketch underneath, and we just start out with his eyes, and one of them's gonna be bigger than the other. So I'm just gonna draw in the bigger one first. So just one big circle, and then I'm gonna come over to the side here. Let's draw like almost a full circle, and then on the bottom here, I'll just close it out a little bit flatter. Alright, so we're giving him some expression with his eyes. So then from here, we're gonna draw in his face. So just come to the side here. Let's draw like a little bracket. Two lines kind of going in. And let's just go ahead and draw in the top first. So we're just gonna round it out. Just one big dome shape. And then on the bottom here, we're just gonna taper this one in. And if you make it all black, we might not even see this line on the bottom, but we just go ahead and draw so we know this is the head. Okay, and then now for his body, really easy. We'll slant it out first. That's gonna be his shoulders. And then just come straight down. Make a little point. This is gonna be his armpit. And we'll just taper in all the way down to his waist. Alright, and then from here, let's go ahead and draw in his arm. So start on this side, just keep going. This is gonna be his elbow. Alright, and then from here, let's keep going down. So make it a little bit skinnier on the bottom here. And then now for his hand, add a little angle right here for his thumb. Let's come down. That's gonna be his other finger, and then we'll just connect that. Make it nice and sharp on the end. And if you want to add in a little bit more detail right here, just a little fingertip for the other fingers. Alright, so now let's draw in the other one. So this one's gonna be a little bit straighter down. So here's the elbow again. Alright, and then now for his hand. So same thing here, a little angle for the thumb. And then just kind of curve it. Go back up here. Just kind of follow that curve and then close it off nice and sharp. Same thing here, just one little detail. Alright, so those are his arms, and now for his lower body. It's really simple. We start on the hip right here, or the waist. We'll just flare this out. Come back to the middle. Make a little point there. And just connect here. That's going to give us his thighs. And then for his lower leg, it's going to be a little bit skinnier on the bottom as well. Okay, so just come down. Okay, and then for his foot, we'll extend this line here. Just come out. And then whatever space you have here, start here and just round it out. So extend the line to the inside. And then just round it out. And then just round it out and you're pretty much done with this character. Now all we have to do is just draw in all those little shards that kind of comes out. Okay, so I'm just gonna go around and add in these little shapes. Little triangles and whatnot. So you can add in different shapes. You don't necessarily have to follow exactly the same on these. Or even the pose, you can actually draw in different pose because the character itself is so easy to draw, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna go around and draw in these shapes and then fill it in with black and we're all done. Okay, so just a few more and we're all done. Alright, so that is it for the Shadow Man. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.